my background with it, and I've been interested in engines, engine performance, combustion, and cooling became a speciality subject within that. So engine cooling in general led to involvement with heat exchangers, heat exchanger design, led into the thinking about these more advanced cooling systems. Yes, sad case, but a mixture of an R&D background, working with some of the well-known consultants and some motorsport companies, and an obsessive car engine racing hobby as well.
What particular cars do you focus on in, Chris? Hobbies?
I 100% towards Italian, yeah, with a preference for Alfa Romeo. This came because my first job in the engine-related industry was at Ricardo's in Shoreham, the big consultancy, and this sort of technology was looked at many years ago for natural gas engines, which are very detonation prone if the natural gas qualities vary, and this concept was looked at on very large industrial type engines for broadly the same reasons. So it got my interest, and then I had the opportunity when I left Ricardo to go and work with Cosworth on the early Formula One turbo engines. This is the early 80s, and we actually set up a test rig to investigate this idea on a prototype Formula One engine. I've had my own company for powertrain systems engineering, which covers performance as well as cooling and so on, since 2000, and during that time, since that time, this idea has always been in the back of my mind, and we've had a number of opportunities over since 2000 to do small studies and investigations. So it's been bobbing along for 15 years now. Well, really excited. I think, like a lot of these things, we probably had the solution to a problem that people didn't have, and I think now we've got the solution to a problem that people definitely do have. So in a way, the market has come to our technology, and that's obviously fired us up to set up air cycle technology specifically, and to get this thing moving. The ambitions are obviously to see this in use, in production, and really the performance, low volume market is actually quite the more exciting one, because I've got my own personal racing tuning hobby. It's a market I feel comfortable in. A longer term view would be towards getting it accepted for major manufacturers, maybe major niche vehicle manufacturers, high performance sports car manufacturers, to basically see it being used by the customer. Well, I relax with my cars, my classic cars, my racing cars, but I've got broader interests like everyone else. You know, literature, music, increasing need to have more holidays.